Most camping cookware sets out there are flimsy trash that warp after a single boil. Choose wrong and you'll waste a weekend and a lot of cold meals. Stuck choosing gear that stalls on a trail and ruins meals? Today, this video will guide you to reliable options that actually perform. Today, I'm going to be going over the best camping cookware that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Odoland Camping Cookware Set. From the moment you lift the carry case, you notice a package aimed at casual campers seeking reliable gear on a budget. The compact silhouette and simple color scheme communicate practicality, appealing to hikers and weekend explorers who value straightforward, budget-oriented gear. Even before use, the set conveys a sense of portability that suits travelers who want dependable cookware without sacrificing precious pack space. The pieces nest neatly for compact storage, including 3 pots, a fry pan, and lids, all crafted from sturdy aluminum. Handles fold away for safer packing and reduce risk of snagging on gear, while reinforcing hinges feel sturdy after repeated setups. The aluminum walls conduct heat efficiently and evenly, supporting quick simmering and reducing fuel consumption during short camp meals. The set includes multiple vessels with matching lids, providing versatile options for boiling, frying, and simmering during outdoor adventures. Weight remains light enough for easy carry in a day pack, supporting backpacking trips and car camping alike. Compact stacking reduces overall volume to minimize bulk inside backpacks while preserving accessible organization for meals at the campsite. In real-world testing, the kit handles quick breakfasts and simple dinners with predictable heat, and the lightweight build shines during long hikes. Compared to the GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper set, Odoland offers a lighter build and similar capacity, yet remains friendlier on price. The pros include budget-friendly price, lightweight and compact form, and solid nesting for storage. The cons include modest capacity for bigger groups and average durability under heavy use. For solo adventures or intimate trips it excels, while sharing meals with several people may require additional cookware. Overall value remains strong in this category, offering dependable function without breaking the bank for budget-conscious campers. At number 4, we have the THTYBROS Camping Cooking Set. From the moment I unpacked it, this all-in-one kitchen signals a target audience of weekend backpackers and family car campers. The ultralight nesting design packs smaller than a football, with each piece fitting inside pots for supreme portability and compact storage. Durability comes from food-safe non-stick coating on pots and pans along with premium 304 stainless steel utensils and plates. Ultralight weight under 4.1 pounds translates to effortless carry while hiking, camping, or picnicking without sacrificing capacity. Designed specifically for 2 to 4 campers, it enables pancake morning finesse on the non-stick pan and reliable kettle boiling. Essential bonus accessories included like quick dry blue microfiber cloths and large mesh bag elevate setup and cleanup efficiency. The nesting kettle and pot stack inside each other, reducing clutter and enabling slick packing during travel for every outing. We tested heat distribution by simmering water and frying eggs to ensure even cooking without scorching in camping scenarios. Real-world testing showed strong performance in windy conditions with well-sealed lids preventing boil-overs and spillage. Compared to a traditional 2-piece aluminum set, this 27-piece kit delivers more versatility without adding bulk. The pros include comprehensive packaging, durable stainless steel construction, and superb organization. The cons include a higher price relative to basics and a bulkier footprint that may challenge ultralight hikers seeking minimal gear. The compact nesting design not only reduces backpack volume, but also gives quick access to each cooking component during meal preparation. In our field tests, boil time stayed reasonable and cleanup remained effortless thanks to the included microfiber cloth and bags. Choosing this kit makes sense for travelers who want extensive cookware options without surrendering packability or organization on the trail. At number 3, we have the MalloMe Camping Cookware Mess Kit, a compact, all-inclusive system built for casual hikers and car campers. Initial impressions suggest a well-balanced package aimed at casual campers who want convenience without sacrificing basic cooking capability. For backpackers and car campers alike, the kit promises a low bulk profile and fast setup on the trail or camp. Build quality feels sturdy thanks to a rugged aluminum frame and riveted joints that resist flex under load during busy camp kitchen sessions. The set includes 2 pots and a lidded pan, which creates flexible configurations for boiling, simmering, and frying small meals. Dimensions are compact enough to fit inside a standard backpack compartment, helping keep weight and space to a minimum. The folding handles fold flush against the pots, reducing overall footprint and making packing more efficient without compromising grip. The kit ships with basic utensils and a compact storage bag, which help keep components organized between trips. Non-stick interior surfaces on pots provide easy food release and cleanup, reducing the risk of stubborn residue when cooking outdoors. In practical field tests, the MalloMe mess kit performed reliably, with steady heat distribution and efficient simmering across multiple sessions. In these tests, boil times were reasonable for lightweight gear, and cleanup required only mild soap and water. Real-world testing shows the kit handles routine use, though sustained high heat may degrade non-stick after many trips. Compared to the Z Outdoors Compact Camper set, the MalloMe offers a lighter footprint and faster cleanup in real camping scenarios. The pros include lightweight build, durable construction, and easy cleanup, making it a user-friendly choice for beginners and seasoned campers alike. The cons include higher price point and limited internal space for larger utensils, which may deter heavy kitchen enthusiasts. At number 2, we have the Odoland Camping Cookware Kit. From the outset, the Odoland kit targets budget-minded campers seeking compact gear for weekend trips. The aluminum bodies feel sturdy and durable, while foldable handles simplify packing and setup during campsite cooking. The kit nests into a compact storage case, keeping the entire set organized and ready for quick setup. The kit includes 2 pots, a frying pan, a kettle, and lids that deliver even heat distribution across the gear when cooking. The lids seal snugly, trapping steam for efficient cooking, while the rims and pour spouts reduce spills when transferring hot contents. Total weight hovers around 3 pounds, and the nested configuration occupies a compact footprint suitable for backpacking and car camping alike. Compared with a rival 5-piece aluminum set, the Odoland kit provides comparable capacity yet achieves lighter overall weight and easier packing. The pros include excellent value for the price, compact foldable design, and durable aluminum construction. The cons include bulk when fully loaded and longer boil times compared to ultralight kits. Cleanup remains straightforward thanks to smooth surfaces, though stubborn residues may demand a little extra scrubbing after elaborate meals. The kit performs reliably on camp stoves and backcountry burners, adapting well to low and medium heat settings without warping. Durable construction and a solid warranty support long-term use for frequent campers who value longevity and dependable gear. In the end, the Odoland Camping Cookware Kit offers versatile cooking options at a budget-friendly price for casual campers seeking practical gear. At number 1, we have the Odoland Camping Cookware. From first touch, the set communicates practical intent with reinforced handles and a compact footprint that appeals to casual campers and weekend hikers. Its mid-range price targets budget-conscious adventurers while delivering reliable performance for car campers, backpackers, and occasional travelers seeking simplicity. The design favors shared cooking scenarios, offering a versatile kit that scales from solo meals to small group setups without overwhelming space. The cookware adopts a lightweight aluminum construction that balances strength and portability, resisting dents while remaining easy to pack for trips. The foldable handles and compact stack offer a truly portable profile, allowing efficient packing inside small rucksacks or backpacking totes. 2 separate pots with matched lids enable simmering, boiling, and steaming while conserving space and reducing the need for additional gadgets. A durable non-stick interior minimizes sticking and simplifies cleanup, especially after fatty meals or ingredients that tend to cling to surfaces. The kit includes a simple carry bag and compact lids that snap together, reducing rattling and presenting a neat, travel-ready package. Materials resist corrosion and heat exposure, while the overall geometry optimizes heat transfer across the cooking surface for more even results. During cleanup, the non-stick surfaces prove easy to wipe down, and the entire kit remains dishwasher safe in typical household dishwashers. Performance-wise, it handles camp stove tests without warping, providing steady heat distribution and minimal hot spots during occasionally intense cooking sessions. In hours of field testing with wind and variable fuels, boil times stay predictable and fuel efficiency remains competitive against similar budget sets. Compared to the GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper set, Odoland matches function at a friendlier price while offering lighter cabinetry and simpler packing. The pros include durable construction, compact stackability, and easy cleanup. The cons include heavier overall weight for